In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your music volume in Filmora video editor. So if you have just added a music file or audio file on your video and you like to go ahead and regulate or adjust the volume, then it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So I have just added here a music file, but I'd like to go ahead and adjust its volume. To do so, just go ahead and click on the music file that you added, or if you had not added, go ahead and add it on the audio timeline here. And then from here, go ahead and click on this edit option. And from edit, you'll see we have quite a number of audio settings that we can apply. Now, this is the current volume, and you can now go ahead and make adjustment on this volume by either increasing it if you move this forward like that, and now if I play it will be much louder, or you can reduce the volume by moving it on the opposite side like this, and you'll hear the volume is almost gone. If you wish to undo the changes, you can just click on this icon and it will undo the changes. You can also use other features such as sound balance and add also fade in and fade out effects on your audio without any issue. So that's how you can adjust music volume on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.